Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 top analyst tech stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at 3 strong buy tech stocks that all have recent ratings from some 5-star analysts. And on top of that, those analysts have been increasing their price targets lately too. We're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found these stocks today over on the TipRanks Top Analyst Stock page. Found right under the top of the Ideas menu with the top analyst stocks, you'll find a collection of companies picking up buy ratings from top analysts lately. We focused in on the technology sector and the mid to large market cap. You can check out the top analyst stock page over on the TipRanks website or by downloading the TipRanks mobile device by following links in the description down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into our 3 top analyst tech stocks. First up is a company called Flex. They trade under the ticker FLEX, currently priced at $38 per share. This is a stock we have talked about before, I believe it was in October or November. Year to date, the stock is up 72%, and in the last 3 months has gained over 28%. Flex is a global manufacturing company helping brands design, build, and deliver products. They are the 3rd largest electronics manufacturing company in the world, and some of the products that they manufacture include hairdryers, the Mac Pro, and autonomous driving systems for electric cars. They offer manufacturing and integration services for a range of products, as well as supply chain services and logistics and transportation controls. On October 30th, they did share their Q2 earnings report, where they came out with both an earnings and revenue beat and updated future guidance. For their second quarter, they reported earnings per share of 64 cents, beating analyst estimates by 7 cents per share. Revenue came in at $6.5 billion, beating by $50 million, and they updated their Q3 outlook for revenue to be between $6 and $6.4 billion. During the quarter, they also announced the pending Crown Technical Systems acquisition. Following that earnings report, a 5-star analyst from Craig-Hallum reiterated their buy rating and increased their price target. They said that Flex continues to execute well and is driving important margins that are more than offsetting some macro-challenged markets. While the company is seeing some headwinds in automotive and industrial end markets, which the company highlighted at an investor conference, management does remain focused on winning and ramping strong, profitable design wins and growing in key market centers such as data centers. With 6 current analyst ratings, the Flex stock does come in as a unanimous strong buy. And the average price target of $44.83 implies an upside potential of over 17%. Looking at those ratings down below, you can see most of them all bumping up those price targets. On the low end, we have $42 for an upside of 10%, while our high-end price target just came yesterday at $48 for an upside of nearly 26%. Second on our list today is Trimble. They trade under the ticker TRMB, currently priced just above $74 per share. Year to date, the stock is up 39%, and in the last 3 months has jumped 32%. You'll see taking off here at the start of November. Trimble is in the business of positioning technology solutions. They provide software, hardware, and services for a variety of industries, including construction, agriculture, transportation, and logistics. They provide GNSS receivers, optical devices, machine guidance systems, and more, including their Trimble Connect, which is an open collaboration tool that helps improve project efficiency. They also offer their Trimble Construction One, which is a web and mobile app that helps contractors with accounting, job costs, data analytics, project management, and human resources. Trimble shared their Q3 earnings report on November 6th, and that correlates with that jump up in stock price that you saw on the chart. So it went well. They did have an earnings and revenue beat, saw record results, and raised their full year guidance. For their third quarter, they reported earnings per share of 70 cents, beating expectations by 8 cents per share, and revenue of $875.8 million did beat expectations by over $11 million. The company raised their full year guidance and saw record annualized recurring revenue and record gross margin. Several analysts have recently reiterated buy ratings, one of the most recent coming today from a 4-star analyst at Oppenheimer who also bumped up their price target. They said, having long discussed the transformation of Trimble's revenue base from hardware to software, the firm believes the portfolio actions taken over the last year are what will ultimately sustain its re-rating. The simplicity of the 2027 targets is compelling for growth investors, and valuation remains attractive relative to software peers. Their targets appear achievable, embedding a degree of capital allocation flexibility between growth and margin as market conditions evolve. The Trimble stock also has 6 analyst ratings, coming in as a unanimous strong buy. And some of those are just coming in today, so it hasn't quite reflected up here yet. But down below, we can see those recent ratings, all of them in the last 3 months coming in as a buy. Our low-end price target being $84 for an upside of 13.5%, while our high-end price target is $92 from JP Morgan for an upside of over 24%. If you've made it to our third stock today, then this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least, we're taking a look at Belden. They trade under the ticker BDC, currently priced at $123 per share. This is another stock we have touched on a couple times in the past year. I think back in January, February the first time, and once again over the summer around July. In the past year, they've climbed 69%, and in the last 3 months are up about 22%. Belden provides innovative single transmission solutions. They design, manufacture, and distribute networking, security, and connectivity products. Their products include cables, connectors, networking equipment, and software, and are used in a variety of industries, including industrial automation, smart buildings, broadband and 5G, as well as healthcare. And this is another company that had better than expected results for their latest quarter, sharing their Q3 on October 31st, along with some future outlooks. Their Q3 earnings per share came in at $1.70, beating expectations by 9 cents per share, while revenue came in at $655 million, beating by over $11 million. Looking forward, they did say that the economic environment remains uncertain. However, as outlined in their recent Investor Day, their business is well positioned to succeed as the next investment cycle ramps up. For their fourth quarter, they're anticipating patterns to remain steady and are looking at revenues in the range of $645 to $660 million. Shortly after that earnings report, a 5-star analyst from Truist Financial reiterated a buy rating and raised their price target. They noted the company delivered another good quarter with their Q3 results and guided Q4 above the consensus as well. The firm remains positive on Belden's improving revenue stability, margin expansion, and conservative messaging that could lead to further multiple expansions. And with 5 current analyst ratings, the Belden stock also comes in as a unanimous strong buy, with the average price target of $138 implying an upside potential of 12%. Looking at those ratings down below, once again, a lot of analysts bumping up those price targets, a couple on the low end at $130 for an upside of over 5.5%, while our high-end price target here is $155 for an upside of nearly 26%. So that is a quick look at 3 top analyst tech stocks, all coming in with unanimous buy ratings from Wall Street and with them increasing price targets lately. Let me know which of these stocks catches your eye the most. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. And of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just sharing what those Wall Street analysts are looking at. So please make sure you always stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.